This is the plaintiff, Lorraine Virouette. She says she and the defendant used to be lovers, but no more. The guy intentionally smashed the screen to a brand new laptop computer, is crying poverty but has money to go on vacation, and she's rip-roaring mad at him. He owes her $250, and that's exactly what she's suing him for today. This is the defendant, Kyle Mullen. He says he accidentally damaged the plaintiff's laptop when she lent it to him, and since they were together, she told him, don't worry about it. Then a whole year later, her mother's boyfriend enters the picture, causing all this drama. And it went from don't worry about it to you owe me $250? Come on. He's accused of not computing.
All parties, please raise your right hands.
Welcome back to the People's Court. Next case on the docket. These litigants used to be together, but it didn't work out so well. She says he smashed the screen of her new laptop and won't pay. He says she gave him a pass. It's the case of lap dance.
Thank you, Douglas. Lorraine Virouette.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're suing your former boyfriend and father of your child, Kyle Malin, for $250, the cost of an HP laptop. That alone surprises me. You were able to find a laptop for $250? For real? Which, according to you, he damaged and has never compensated you for. Tell me what happened. When did this happen?
This happened about a year ago. I lent my laptop to him, and he...
You guys have a child together?
Yes, we do.
How old's the child?
6 months.
Okay. Is he paying child support?
Yes, he is.
Okay. So a year ago, you loaned him the computer, and what happens?
He called me up one day, and he said, you're going to be mad at me, and I said, why? He said, because I smashed your screen. He said he tripped over something and kicked it by accident, which I really didn't believe.
Well, that could happen if this computer's on the floor where it shouldn't be.
Yeah,
Either way, what happened to the computer?
The screen had cracked.
How?
Exactly what you said. It was on the floor.
It was on the floor. And so you kicked it by accident?
Tripped
All right, so why
over it.
didn't you compensate her for it when you broke it?
Since then, up until recently, the entire year, it was, oh, it's fine, don't worry about it, I don't care, don't worry about it. But now all of a sudden, recently, it just went from I don't care to see you in court.
Okay.
And I really don't see how that makes sense.
Okay.
Because if it was...
Well, it's unfortunate for you if that's true. I presume you're going to tell me that's not true, that you never told him you didn't care. But either way, it doesn't matter. She cares now, and she wants you to pay for it, and you broke it. So what's your who's the gentleman with you?
My friend and neighbor, Michael.
Okay. All right. What would be a defense to having to pay? I mean, you broke it, so who else but you should pay for it? Do you have the receipt for the computer?
I don't, but I have the computer itself in my bag.
Did not.
How am I going to know that that's the appropriate amount?
I said the screen had cracked. I did not say I had broke it.
Okay, you have the computer and the computer doesn't work.
It doesn't. It works, but the screen is all like mushy. Doesn't show anything.
Right. So can you? It's not charged because
It's not. No.
That's the way it's been for how long?
It's been like that for almost a year because I don't know what happened with the charger.
Okay. Okay. All right. And now, can I see the computer?
Sure.
Were you two dating, or you just had a kid
Yes,
together?
at the time.
Okay. So had she told you then the computer doesn't work?
Not as far as I can remember, no.
Well, you'd remember that. Did you ever see her using the computer after you broke it?
No, but it was definitely functional. The screen was cracked, but it was functional.
How do you remember that?
That's why.
Okay,
that's
come on
why
up.
I have him here.
I'm
sorry.
Like, what's going on here?
So if she says don't worry about it, can she turn around, change her mind, and sue?
Yes, if it's been 2 days, but like not a year after.
Why? Well, what do you say?
But yeah, don't worry about it. Pay for it.
Well, no. When she said don't worry about it, she meant I'll give you a pass. But she changed her mind. Can she change her mind?
Yeah, I think so, because he's the one that committed the crime.
I guess it is a crime going inside the courtroom.
My name's Michael Zupian. A year ago, I saw that the screen was cracked and the computer was functional. And
How did you see that? Where were you when you saw it?
I was in his room.
And where's the crack? I see a bunch of scratches everywhere. Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
There's like oh yeah, it's like shattered throughout.
Right.
Oh yeah, I just had to get the right angle. Ah.
Right.
Okay, so according to you, you saw the computer worked.
Yes.
Right, and I have no idea if all you need is a screen change or a new computer because you lost your charger and didn't buy a new charger.
Because what happened was I left it at my mom's house for a little bit because I was in a move. I was moving, so I left it with my mom, and apparently the charger must have got lost when my mom was moving and I was moving around.
Okay, so but why wouldn't you try to see if you could still salvage the computer before you come to court and sue for it? The issue I have is I just don't know whether it just needs a screen change or needs, I'm having such difficulty thinking that a screen change will be cheaper. Where did you buy the computer?
ShopRite.
ShopRite.
Yeah,
rules.
they had a back to school thing. I don't know. They had them in the back. They weren't like in the front. They were in the back.
What year is the computer?
What year it is?
Are you the one who bought the computer for her?
Yes.
Step on up, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me how much did you pay?
$250.
And you don't have the receipt for it?
No, I gave it to my daughter, and I don't know what she did with it.
Do you know how old the computer? Was it a new computer or
Yes, brand new.
It was brand new. And do you know what year what year did you buy it for her?
2016, I believe.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was.
So it was brand new when he broke it?
Yes, it was. It was only like a couple weeks old when he broke it.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
How old are you?
23.
Did you make any effort to get the screen fixed for her?
No.
Nah, just so who should I count it against that I can't figure out whether the whole computer is shot or just the screen? Do you have any evidence of what a screen would cost?
Not solid, but it most likely would be either the same amount as laptop
I'd
or
say.
maybe more.
Yeah. I think that's probably a pretty good guess.
And
Maybe
I'm-
not more, but pretty close to it.
Most likely taking it to...
Mr. Malin, pay the lady the $250. Are you still dating?
No.
But you're co-parenting. You have a child together. Does he see the child?
Well, our child is getting adopted.
Oh. That's got to be tough. But maybe the best mothering decision, or parenting decision, I should say, that the two of you make. Good luck to you. I'm ruling in favor of the plaintiff in the amount of the $250.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So the plaintiff will get the $250 back to fix this. You know, one gets the impression you really weren't very sorry that you hurt the computer, really smashed it.
At the time, I really was sorry, but honestly, after a year, she had honestly constantly went over and over. The reason why we had broken up is because of all the crap that she's put me through, emotional and mental. It was rough, and at the same time, I did not say that I would replace it. I said that I would try because I don't make enough money.
Anyway, you should be sorry, you know, and
I was
you
at the
broke it.
time.
Okay, sorry about that. You're going to have to pay. Okay. Sorry about that. Now here comes Miss Viruet.
All right, I'll say
She didn't want to talk.
something. I'm very happy. I would like to thank Judge Marilyn for
Come.
the verdict.
All right.
She's very shy.
Okay. All right. Very sad family situation here.
Yes.
Would you agree?
I very much agree. My daughter's autistic, and, you know, she gets taken advantage of sometimes, so.
All right. Well, thank you very much. Okay.
Thanks.
Congratulations to her. Oh, Harvey, what do you think about that?
Here's the thing, if she said don't worry about it, that's not a settlement of anything because she has to get something in return for that to be a binding settlement. So she has an absolute right to sue.